to meet with his son. Let's play out that entire sequence of Shah Rukh Khan entering the jail. Shah Rukh Khan there, looking down, making his way in, refusing to acknowledge any of the media present around, not speaking to anyone. Remember that this is his first public appearance since the arrest of his son Aryan Khan, since this entire drug case came to the fore. It looks like Shah Rukh Khan has been granted special permission to meet with his son Aryan after Aryan's bail plea was denied, after he was denied bail by the Mumbai Sessions Court. There were a number of reports that suggested also, Mustafa, that Aryan Khan was very distraught, was very upset after he was denied bail yesterday.
Yes, of course. The report suggested that Aryan Khan was not eating well while he was inside jail, was eating biscuits and snacks from the canteen which he bought from the money which was sent from his parents. He was expecting and counting days. There was a 5-day long weekend when the courts were shut. Yesterday they opened up and the order for Aryan Khan came and he was denied the bail. So that was the reason that he visibly appeared to be upset. He was telling other inmates in the jail that he has done nothing wrong. So this it looks like now when the jail time for Aryan Khan is extended, his family, his father thought of meeting him and hence he has reached Arthur Road jail. What is the permission which has been given to him and how these things have been worked out, whether he really gets to meet Aryan Khan physically or not. These are the details which are awaited at this point, but yes, the reports and the video suggest that SRK has reached Arthur jail where his son Aryan Khan is launched. Aryan Khan has to be taken to the court, produced before the court, and where his 14 days of judicial custody will be extended. He'll have to stay at Arthur jail till the time he's granted bail.
That's right. So you've got Shah Rukh Khan there right now inside the Arthur Road jail. We're yet to hear from officials on whether he's being given the opportunity to meet with his son or not. But definitely looks like at this point he did get that nod, and that's why he's at the Arthur Road jail. Remember that because of COVID restrictions, we'll have to see whether he's actually allowed to meet with his son directly or not, because the norm right now is only video calls. Shah Rukh Khan early this morning rushing to the Arthur Road jail after his son Aryan Khan was denied bail yesterday. Their hopes, of course, are pinned on the Bombay High Court, where Aryan's legal team is filing a plea. And there were a lot of reports that suggested that Aryan was very upset after his bail was denied yesterday by the Mumbai Sessions Court. There's no doubt that his parents too must be very, very worried about exactly what will happen to Aryan Khan next. Shah Rukh Khan is meeting with his son for the first time since all of this drama played out. He's been at the Arthur Road jail now. Aryan Khan has been at Arthur Road jail for 14 days and perhaps counting. And keeping that in mind, Father Shah Rukh Khan has now rushed to the Arthur Road jail. This is, Mustafa, his first public appearance. Shah Rukh hasn't commented so far on this entire issue. Shah Rukh hasn't stepped out of his home Mannat. He even cancelled all of his film shoots. And this is his first public appearance at the Arthur Road jail.
We are right that this is his first public appearance since the time this case came out and Aryan Khan was detained. In fact, it looks like he left his house at Mannat early in the morning and nobody was able to notice, maybe from the back gate of Mannat, and then he reached at the Arthur Road gate where he was spotted. And you can see from his body language that he was not acknowledging any media person who were present there. And he entered inside the Arthur Road jail. And so this looks like this was a visit kept as a surprise visit from media and other people, so that he can meet without keeping this meeting low profile. But he is currently inside the Arthur Road jail, where his son Aryan Khan is also launched. So we have to wait and see whether he's allowed to meet him. But yes, it looks like there was some prior permission given to him, and due to which these things were done, these things happened. What we have noticed outside Arthur Road jail in this last few days is that family members are not allowed to meet physically with the inmates who are present inside the jail due to COVID norms. And there were reports that Aryan Khan had spoken with his family via video conferencing. But yes, as yesterday, it was expected that by Aryan Khan and the Khan family that Aryan Khan will get bail from the Sessions Court, which didn't happen. And then the family tried to reach out, and Satya has reached there at Arthur Road Jail to meet them.
Any information that you're picking up from the Arthur Road Jail officials also, Mustafa, perhaps on how much time Shah Rukh Khan gets to spend with his son? How is this meeting happening, etc.?
Well, it will not be much time. Around 15 minutes is the time which is given to the family members of inmates who come to meet. And this is what we call also the breakfast time in the jail, where the inmates are out of their barracks. So it will be for not much time which he will be granted to meet Aryan Khan. But I think the reports which were coming out from the jail about Aryan Khan being upset about Aryan Khan not meeting, one of the reasons why the family wanted to reach out to him, give them console him and let him know that his time will pass and that he should not affect his health while he is inside the jail. So this could be one of the things while you are hearing the reports of he being upset, he not eating proper food inside the jail. So this could be one of the reasons why SRK might have been allowed inside the jail to speak with him, to console him, so that he can continue to stay there, because from what it looks like after yesterday, it looks like a long time before Aryan Khan comes out of the jail. The entire petition of bail is pending before High Court. It is not listed. At 10:30 at the High Court, the lawyers will be mentioning this petition, and then it is on the High Court judge to decide whether he wants to hear the petition on an urgent basis or keep it for later. So again, the procedure of arguments and bail reply being filed by the NCB and arguments from NCB are the things which have to take place, and there are Diwali vacation which is coming up. So we'll have to really wait and see what happens next in the case. But yes, as the Khan family realized that it's going to be longer, SRK stepped out to meet his son, and the meeting is ongoing inside Arthur Road Jail at this point of time, and it will not be for a longer time. But yes, it looks like that the family reached out to Aryan Khan to console him so that he continues to stay normally at the Arthur Road Jail, eat the food provided by the jail authorities so that he can his health can be maintained. Back to you.
That's right. Remember that this entire saga began on October 2nd. October 3rd is when Aryan Khan was detained. So it's been nearly 3 weeks. And in the 3 weeks, Shah Rukh Khan hasn't met with his son directly. They've had conversations, we've been told, while Aryan Khan was in NCB custody and also while he was in judicial custody. He had opportunities to speak to both Shah Rukh Khan and his mother Gauri. It was on the phone. There were video calls also that happened. But this is the first time that Shah Rukh Khan is getting a chance to personally meet his son as well. And that's why he's made his way into the Arthur Road Jail early this morning. Very quiet entry there. Nobody knew that he'd left Mannat, and soon after, it was the media personnel who spotted Shah Rukh Khan there making his way inside the Arthur Road Jail. Shah Rukh quietly walking in, not really acknowledging the media presence, not willing to make any sort of public comment. He's been very quiet through this entire controversy, refusing to step out of Mannat as well, and not giving any sort of statement on social media either. And that's essentially been the strategy of Shah Rukh Khan and his entire family, all of whom have kept quiet on this very trying time for them on his son Aryan Khan's arrest. This is the first meet between Shah Rukh and Aryan at this time, because of the fact that, also because this is a time of COVID, there are certain rules in these jails about physical meetings, about in-person meetings, but it looks like Shah Rukh Khan has taken special permission to meet with Aryan. That is something that we'll confirm for you in just a bit, and we will get in touch with Arthur Road Jail officials also to find out how long this meeting lasted. But there were several reports, Mustafa, that suggested that, Shah Rukh Khan was someone who was tracking all that was happening very closely, and that he was very clear he's not going to make any sort of statement on this.
Yes, of course, the stand was clear from the Khan family that they have not released any official stand. The only arguments which took place were on the basis of the case. SIT or anybody from his team has never released a single statement on this entire issue since the time this case came to light. So it is very clear that SRK was keeping distance from the case and not commenting on this issue because being a celebrity and the status, he thought that this could affect the case because on one hand his son has been arrested, on the other hand it's a case of drugs and he cannot, as a public figure, can send out a message against this case, and everybody believes that drug is something, a menace which should be eradicated. So it was a tightrope for him, and hence it looks like he and his team never spoke really on this entire issue. But yes, as we thought, it became clearer that it would take much longer than for Aryan Khan than it was expected. So then it was decided that he should be allowed. And we can see the video which has come out of SRK entering Arthur Road jail. That is the area from where the relatives enter. That is the area from where the relatives are allowed to meet the inmates. So this from that same area which was shut for the COVID pandemic, during COVID pandemic, it was from that same row we see SRK working inside the Arthur Road jail to meet his son. Back to you.
That's right. Aryan Khan has been in the Arthur Road jail, lodged in that jail for 14 days now. 14 days and counting. Shah Rukh Khan, I'm being told, is now stepping out of the Arthur Road jail. These are live visuals that we're getting to you from outside the jail, where SRK is currently making his way out. So just a few minutes that he was inside the jail, and we'll try to get you details also of his meeting with Aryan Khan. It doesn't look like SRK is willing to speak to the media or make any sort of statement right now, but you can see that Shah Rukh Khan is trying quietly to exit from the Arthur Road jail, make his way out and back home to Mannat. We are, of course, awaiting more details on exactly when he met with Aryan Khan, how much time they got to spend together. But considering the time that we received this news break, looks like about 15-20 minutes that he was inside the Arthur Road jail. Questions being posed there to the superstar. Shah Rukh Khan very clearly not acknowledging the media, making it very clear that he's not willing to make any sort of statement on his son Aryan Khan's arrest, on this entire drug saga that his son is embroiled in. But this is the first time that Shah Rukh Khan has had a chance to meet with his son Aryan. Spent, looks like, about 15 minutes, but we'll get you an exact number, exact time from the Arthur Road jail officials on exactly how much time SRK had with his son Aryan. This is the first meet with his son Aryan Khan since its arrest 14 days ago. And Shah Rukh Khan, in no mood to make any sort of statement, quietly went back amid all of the chaos. Several questions being asked to the reporters there. Shah Rukh Khan refused to answer, got into his car and is now heading home to Mannat. So there's going to be no statement from SRK, the superstar, making it very clear that he doesn't want to speak about this entire drug saga. And Mustafa is still with us as we get you those two images. One of Shah Rukh Khan moments ago entering the Arthur Road jail, and now just a few seconds back making his way out. Both times head low, refusing to talk to the media, refusing to acknowledge their presence. And that is a clear message in itself, Mustafa, that Shah Rukh Khan right now is not willing to make any sort of comment on his son's involvement in this entire drug case. Looks like it was a very, very short meeting that he had with Aryan Khan.
Yes, of course. Because given his public status and celebrity status, he has avoided to comment on it, and he has always tried to be politically correct regarding this entire matter. But yes, what it looks like that bail was expected, but it's not sooner that they will get bail. So hence, SRK tried to reach out to his son. We don't know exactly what he was told about it, what was the meeting which happened inside Arthur Road jail. But what we are hearing that he has left Arthur Road jail, as we were earlier discussing, that it will not be for much time that he will be allowed to be inside the jail. But as you can see that he has left, the meeting might have taken place for about 5, 10, 15 minutes, what we are hearing. What really happened inside, we don't know, but yes, all we know is that Aryan Khan's custody, judicial custody, has to be extended today for 14 days till he gets bail.
So you can see there that Shah Rukh Khan, and I just want to play out that full sequence. Shah Rukh Khan exiting from the Arthur Road jail. turning away from the cameras, he acknowledges the other relatives who are seated there who are trying to also get a glimpse of the superstar. He acknowledges a lot of them, but refuses to really speak to the media about any of this. Absolute silence from Shah Rukh Khan. Went into the Arthur Road jail quietly, met with his son reportedly, and then came out. Very brief meeting, it looks like, between him and Aryan. But Shah Rukh Khan is now heading back to his home, Mannat. So a very low-profile visit, or at least he's tried to keep it low-profile, to the Arthur Road jail. First time that he's met with his son Aryan Khan in at least 3 weeks now. Aryan is at the Arthur Road jail, reportedly very upset after his bail was rejected yesterday, and that's why Shah Rukh Khan made his way to the Arthur Road jail. Looks like he got special permission, but that's something we'll confirm to you from the Arthur Road jail officials as well. But you can see the kind of crowds that had gathered there. But Shah Rukh, unfazed by the media, made his way into the car and drove away, heading back home, heading back to Mannat. A lot of reports suggested that both Shah Rukh and Gauri have been very, very worried about their son Aryan, particularly about the fact that he is continuing to remain at the Arthur Road jail. It doesn't look like he's going to get relief today or tomorrow. It could take a couple of days for the hearing really in the Bombay High Court as well. So Shah Rukh Khan has now left the Arthur Road jail after what looks like a very, very brief meeting. Any information that we've been able to pick up really about this meeting, Mustafa, from the Arthur Road jail officials? Mustafa, can you hear me? Looks like we've lost that connection with Mustafa. We'll go across to him in just a bit. But early this morning, Shah Rukh Khan quietly left his home in Mannat, made his way to the Arthur Road jail, has visited his son Aryan, got to spend very little time with him. Remember that they've had several conversations in the last few weeks since Aryan's detention. While he was in the NCB's custody, while he was in judicial custody, he's had the opportunity, as is the protocol, as is the law, to speak to his parents on the phone, even have video calls with them. But this is the first in-person meeting of Shah Rukh Khan with his son Aryan amid this entire controversy and this drug case that his son is embroiled in. Shah Rukh Khan, not speaking to the media or making any sort of public statement, was there to meet his son. Looks like he was there for just about 15 minutes. So a very, very brief meeting that he's had with his son Aryan Khan. Remember that because of the COVID guidelines and protocol that's in place, right now personal visits aren't really allowed. In-person visits aren't really allowed. And we will get back to you really on what the manual says on this, whether he was granted special or how long he was allowed to meet Aryan, whether it was a physical meeting or not. We'll be getting you all those details. But remember that for Shah Rukh Khan, this is perhaps the biggest controversy that he's been embroiled in because of the fact that his son Aryan has been now for 14 days in the Arthur Road jail, a jail perhaps that the superstar has never entered before. And that really tells you about the scale and the magnitude of this entire controversy that he and his family is embroiled in.